Anyway, how was your birthday? You were celebrating your birthday not so long ago. How was your birthday? So what did you get up to on your birthday?
Angitholanga lutho.
Aw, awutholanga lutho?
Next.
How even nomuntu wakho nje azangathi fahla noma 200.
Lutho.
Are you serious?
Ngaze ngasizela umngane wami nje wangifonela ngibhorekela wathi Sonomi kade ebhonezi-ke siyodla-ke.
Wena your episode yakukhulumisa kakhulu. Then weeks later, Umpumelelo is on another podcast, but I don't think wathola the same.
Ngisho ukuthi akuzange kukhulunywe yena ihambile podcast. Akukhulunywanga.
Kodwa wena wakhuluma.
Yes.
But that is a bit unfair ngoba wena nawe wawuzikhulumela okwakho nawe wafika wazikhulumela okwakhe. So why kunokuthi wena bekwenziwe wena into ukukhulunywa the morning thing? Or is it because bona babekwatisa ukuthi wena ngikhumbula ungitshela ukuthi babekwatisa ukuthi uthathile i-content bayisa kwenye indawo instead of i-show?
Yes. Akungiphathanga kahle ngifuna uqamba manga. Ngiphathanga kahle ngabuye futhi ngadlula kona ngathi futhi ngikiyeke.
Sibonile ukuthi ubaby mama kaMpumelelo umakoti. Kuphatha kanjani lokho considering the fact that the relationship yenu beyivele inhle and I'm sure nabu usunithathana njengosisi no lonto like kuphatha kanjani lonto le? How do you feel about the whole thing yakhe no?
Shema angifuni uqamba manga. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngiphathe kambi ngoba indlela esekwenzeka ngayo so ngithi mina hayi wenze kahle waphuma kumuntu ongekho serious vele kuyena so anginankinga right ngoba vele siyaxhumana ngale ndlela esikhulumana ngayo ayikhinkinga ngimfisela nje ukuhle ukuthi kube right.
Okay, siyambongela kuVuyokazi nomuntu wakhe. Hope yonke into abayifisayo nebayifunayo iyenzeka njengoba befisa.
Kusinemseleko ke lowo with The Basement Podcast. Niyakhumbula mos wenze i-interview kunye nabo no-part 1 no-part 2. La interview yatrendayo ingendaba ye-role noMangwabe. Molweni ndanamkela kuMamgobhozi TV. Bethu nani uSinene Mvile ethetha ngento ye-birthday echaza uba yena zange afumane nix, zange enzelwe nix nge-birthday yakhe. Ndandiyenzile ke i-video ngalento ye-birthday kaSnap because ndabona utatakhe zange anze na-post ku-Instagram because utata uMusamseleku usually xa kunomntu one-birthday noba ngumzukulwana noba ngumntanakhe noba ngunkosikazi uye abhale ke i-post for loo mntu but ke zange ayibhale ke for uSne and ngalamini waye wangena ku-Instagram waposta something else. Ndatsho ke mna ke ndathi lela daba le-interview nala role inoba uqunjelwe so ke uSne loo nto engamfumenanga u-happy birthday kuye. And then ke ngoku kubekho le kaMpumelelo uMpumelelo yena oye wanengxaki nento ba uSne eye kwi-interview nala podcast because uyachaza umfana ba wathetha naye noMpumelelo befuna ba angamfaki upathu wala interview. Ubafana ke noSne njengobani nibeva banengxaki lento ba uMpumelelo yena uyile kwi-interview apha ku-YouTube a week after uSne and yena zange athethiswe kodwa ke baphinde bavume nabo ba bayakhalaza abantu nanobe production okanye bakwamseleku ba uSne uthathe i-content wayisa kule podcast inoba feel like they could have used izinto zithethwe nguSne pha ku-podcast ku-show. Umzekelo ba create a storyline around the role, ba create a storyline kule ba uSne sithi uMangwabe noMakhumalo abangomama kuye okanye abamthanda okanye abamkhathalelanga. So anyways ke guys, khanitsho banicinga ntoni na nge-interview uba benibukele yonke okanye ke ngesi sicatshulwana ndisifakileyo apha sayo. uMamgobhozi ebulela kakhulu ngokuthi nibukele le video, ndanibona kwivideo elandelayo. Bye.